Hi everyone, as the learning for QuickBooks continues, today I thought about something. Sometimes when you start using QuickBooks, when you're one, it is no problem. You can use QuickBooks on your computer only. But in most cases, if you're like in an organization or maybe in a company, sometimes you might find that you need assistance for some data entries and some other transactions which we can't do alone, and it is not practical to call everyone who wants to help you just to your computer. That would not be practical. So in most cases we will find ourselves in need of other computers connected to the same database of your company file. But like by default, your QuickBooks will be working in a single mode license. A single mode license means it's only for one user. Other users can't access your company data file when it is in single user mode. So today what we are going to learn about is how to convert your company file to the multi-user mode. Okay, now to do that, you go to your QuickBooks icon. In most cases it is found on the desktop. In case you can't find it on the desktop, you just go to start. You go here on the search, you look for QuickBooks. Now for my case, my QuickBooks is called Enterprise Solutions Accountant Edition 18.0. Just say open. When you click on open, it will take some time to open. It depends on your computer's speed. So basically you just need to be patient. Okay, for me I'm going to put the password to open my company data file. Like for your case, it might be that you didn't put any password, so it will just open. Can maximize this. It is asking to set up an external accountant user, but it's okay, just say no. Okay, now it has opened, but it is in single user mode. So to change it to a multi-user mode, so that other users like on the network, like who are using different computers, can access the data file which is on our computer here. Just go to file, then click on switch to multi-user mode. Okay, as you can see, it has switched to multi-user mode. It is asking to create users, but that is not the lesson for today. As you can see here, it is in multi-user mode, and the current user is the administrator. Thank you guys. That is the video for today. That is the lesson. Today we have learned about how to switch QuickBooks from single mode user to multi-user mode. Thank you guys. Bye bye.